Hi everyone, it's Dia with Eat, Run, Plan, Repeat. Welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, thank you for stopping by. Today I just wanted to share with you the unboxing of my new Sojourner notebook cover. This is the second cover that I have bought from her. It's Rowena, and I'll leave links for her website down below. I've had a few people ask me. She only has a personal Instagram. It's kind of her personal and business Instagram, but I will link her website down below if you're interested in buying any of her leather planner covers. They are beautiful. I've been following her for years, and it was just probably 3 or 4 months ago that I finally purchased my first leather cover from her, and I got the Getty on Getty, and I love it. It's in the B6 size. I use it as my journal cover right now, and I love it so much that I wanted to get another one. If you've watched any of my recent videos, you know that I switched from the Passion Planner to the Hobonichi A5 Cousin, and I wanted to get a leather cover for it, so of course I went to her website to find one. I was so nervous about ordering another cover because they are not a small investment, at least not for me. And I was so afraid I was gonna pick the wrong type of leather and not like it when it got here. But after a few weeks of obsessing and looking at pictures of everyone else's planner covers, I decided to get the Stag with the speck brown pocket, and it's natural on the inside. I'm actually recording this intro a few days after I unboxed it, so I'm gonna go ahead and insert the unboxing now. Okay everyone, sorry if you can hear my dogs eating in the background, but I wanted to do this unboxing. I ordered this Sojourner for my Hobonichi on August 14th, and today is the 26th, and I am so excited to open it. I wasn't sure if I wanted to do a video on it or not. I'm really nervous because these planners are a rather large investment, so I am not going to drag this out, but this is the two planners that are going to be inside my Sojourner. Right now I have a B6 Sojourner in the Getty on Getty. Sorry, I can't talk and do this. I don't want to cut anything. But when I went to the open house, I was looking at some of the A5s that she had, and it's funny because at the time I was thinking, oh, I'll never use that size again. And here I am using an A5 again, and I'm so excited and nervous to open this. So here it is in a paper bag with her little logo. Okay, here we go. Okay, I love it just by looking at it so far. Hold on. Sniff test. I was so torn on what size I wanted to get. I ended up getting the Stag with the speck brown, I think that stands for special brown, pocket. I was so torn between getting this in this brown and a natural pocket, or if I should do Stag in a natural pocket. I debated on the whole natural pocket thing for far too long, and finally I just decided to settle on this, and I love it. It's beautiful. This Stag leather is really, really soft. I like that. Some texture in there. It's really soft like my Getty, but you can tell it won't scratch as easily. And I did get a string on this one. I kind of wish I got it on my Getty because I like to put my pen right here, but I didn't. So I made sure I got it on this one. And I love the contrast in these two leathers. This one's very textured and this one's very smooth. Sorry. Oh my gosh, this smells so good. My Getty still smells good. I smell it all the time. My husband laughs at me. So this is Rowena's little card saying hello and thank you. The inside of this pocket feels so good too. Okay, and then here are the natural pockets on the inside. I think this is her business card right here. And I'm gonna go ahead and try and put these in. I think I wanna put my Stalogy on this side and my Hobonichi on this side, but we'll see. Okay, so let's see how they fit. Okay. here's the test. Oh, that is gorgeous. Oh, I love this so much. I've been carrying the two notebooks around separately, and they're getting really dirty, especially the Hobonichi. If you watched my last video, you'll see how bad my Hobonichi cover was getting. Oh, I love this. I'm glad they are finally together, so it's like having one planner, and it's gonna fit in my purse perfectly, I think. You know what? Let's see if it fits in my purse. Okay, so I kind of wish I had a brown purse that would match it better, but I don't use this purse all the time. I actually use my Rachel Fossil a lot of times. Lately, I've just been kind of feeling the Kate Spade and the setup of it. I don't keep much in here. I have my wallet and my glasses, and a lot of times I'll slide my little pen container right here. So this is just going to slide right in there. It is perfect. That is so perfect. Can you see that? Okay, so that was a success. I love this thing. It's so soft, you guys. One of the reasons I love the Hobonichi is because the paper is so buttery smooth, and this is just as smooth. And I can't wait to see how it ages. Oh my gosh, I love it. Okay, I love it. And I have to sniff it again. I can smell it from here, but it smells so good. I want to walk around smelling it all day. I know, I'm weird. So, okay, that's it. I wanted to do a quick unboxing on that because I have been waiting for this and I have been so excited, and here it is. I hope you enjoyed this unboxing. I know when I'm looking to purchase something new, I obsessively watch unboxings, so I just wanted to show you guys what I got, what to expect when you get it, how long it'll take, so I just made that little video. But I have been using my planner cover for a few days now, and I just wanted to show it to you guys. I love this cover. I thought I loved my Getty, and I do love my Getty. It scratches very easily, and it scuffs, and it's aging beautifully, but this one, and I can smell these all day. But this one is perfect. It's not too bulky. I have my Hobonichi cousin. Right now I just have, oops. Anyway, I have this string on here. My Getty, I did not get a string, and I kind of regretted it because I like to hold my pen right here with it, which I forgot I had on there. So I did get the string, and in the front pocket right now, I just have Sojourner's little postcard, and I'm really looking for something to put in here. I see people put beautiful die cuts and stickers in here, and I just am having such a hard time finding something that I identify with. I'm not like a huge coffee drinker, and I do like some of the little monsters that people have, but that's not exactly me either. So if you guys have any suggestions of what I can put in here, I just want it to look pretty. Go ahead and leave the link down below so I have some ideas of what I can put in there. I do want to decorate it just because it is so pretty, and I love how that looks on other people's planners. So let me just show you a closer look inside. In the front flap, I have the A5 Stalogy notebook, and this is the 365, I believe. And then on the other side, I put my Hobonichi Techo 2019 Cousin Avec. And they fit perfectly in here. For 2020, I had wanted to get the entire year planner, but now that I have both of these in here, they're about the same size. So I think I want to just go ahead and get the Avec for next year too, because I am going to carry this everywhere with me because it's not too big, and I would be lost without my schedule and my to-do list. So this is gonna come with me everywhere. I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing. Let me know if there's any videos you would like to see from me, updates on my Hobonichi, how I'm using it, anything else. I would love to make a video on it. And if you enjoyed this video, please go ahead and hit the like button. And if you want to see more from me, be sure to hit that notification bell. And I look forward to seeing you guys in the next video. Bye.